Check out the link below to get access to the Qlik Masterclass that's out right now. It has got rave reviews and you will learn everything you need to know to go from 0 to 1 in Qlik Sense. So check it out now. Hey guys and welcome back. Let's look at Crosstables today. And what is a Crosstable? Well, we use the function Crosstable when you want to change a wide table with many columns into a tall table with one column and many attributes there. So let's look at an example, right? Why do we need to use Crosstable? So let's say that you have a data file where you have year as your dimension here, and you have your months, but it's separated into different columns. And that's not how you want it, because you want to be able to say year, month, and select the months in your as your field values, and then look at the data value here, right? So that is how much did I have for 2008 for January. You want all of these months to be transposed and put into a single column, and all of these numbers to be transposed and put into a single column so that you can make calculations later on. So let's see how we can use the Crosstable function to do it. So essentially what you want to do is you want to turn your table like this and unpivot these column names and put it into something like this. So you want to give a column name called month and put the values under it. So each of the names of the columns becomes your values here, attribute field values. And each of these numbers here gets transposed and becomes your data field values. So what is this? This is your qualifying column. So based on your year, what Qlik is going to do is it's going to unpivot the rest of them. And that is what we call as your qualifying column. So how do we actually do this? How do we convert it from this to this? Well, we use a function called Crosstable and we give two values. What are the values? Here, the first one is your attribute field value. That is, when you're unpivoting your column names, you want to know what should you store these column names into. Well, create a new column called month and store each of the column names here by transposing them and putting them under month. And what is the second value here? The second value is the data field. That is, all the values that you have here, you want to transpose them and put them under a field called sales. And nothing else for now because we only have one qualifying column, so you don't need to write anything. What if you have two qualifying columns? So in that case, now we have salesman and year as our qualifying columns. So based on this, you want to do the unpivoting, that is to change the column names into your attribute field names. So in that case, you want to actually convert your salesman and year into one column called month, and the data values are going to go under the value called sales. So here we say Crosstable, put all of these into month, put all the data fields into sales, and how many qualifying columns? 2. So essentially what you're telling is, when you start, you want to load with your qualifying columns first. So I have salesman and year. I'm going to load these two first and then say based on these. So these are 2. Every column after 2 should be transposed into month and into sales. So you are essentially going to tell Qlik how many columns are the qualifying columns, and all the columns after your qualifying columns becomes your transposed new columns. All right, good. Let's just do some practice, shall we? So let's look at our data set here. Now I have product size as one of the dimensions that I want to use. And I also have description here in the end. And you know what? Then I have all of these sizes which are in different columns. That's not how I want it. Instead, I want a single column that says size and says, what are the sizes? Well, it's XS, S, M, L, and how much is the stock for that size. I want Qlik to show me product name, product size, and the value, or product's name, description, then product size, and the value. So I want these values to be stored under a column name called size. So that is our attribute field. And I want these values to be stored under a column name called stock. And that becomes our data field. So let's do it. Let's actually put it into practice. The file is stock. So now let's just load my file. And here it looks like I have product size, and then I have all the sizes here, and then I have total stock and description. Well, I want to convert these and transpose them into one single column, and whatever values are inside these, well, I want them to be in a different column. So how do I do that? If I just load it, you see that it looks like this, right? That is, I have different sizes here and I have the values. I just want to take all of these, transpose them, all of these, transpose them. Super simple. We use something called Crosstable, and essentially what we're telling Qlik is, first of all, we don't want it like this because we can't really calculate this total amount of stock that we have for different sizes. So I'm going to say Crosstable here. How many qualifying columns? Well, I want the qualifying columns here to be my description, product size, and total stock. We don't want to change this, right? So the total number of qualifying columns are 3. What are they? They are the product size. Just going to give it a different name. These are nothing but our products, right? Yeah. And then we have our description. So I'm going to load the description next. And then I have total stock. So I'm going to put total stock next here. Great. And then these are the columns that I want to be transposed. So I'm going to give a name. The first value is always the attribute field. So all of these column names need to be put under one column. What is the name for that? Well, let's say size. And then whatever values are inside these, that is whatever values are inside over here, I want to put them inside our field name. And what is the field name? Well, we can give it as, let's just say stock, and you give a comma. So you're essentially telling create a cross table that is with 3 columns as my qualifying. What are the 3? So it's going to Qlik is going to take 1, 2, 3 as the qualifying columns, and all the columns after this, transpose them. Okay, what do I put all the column names into? These column names should be transposed, made it into rows, and put it under a column called size. Okay, and the values that are inside this, calculate them and put them under a column name called stock. So that's essentially what you're saying. So now let's see how it changes from something like this. Let's load it. And now when we look at it, now we only have 5 columns, and we see that products, description, you have something called size. So all the sizes that we have are put into this column, and then we know the stock automatically. So now you can essentially use these as your dimensions to start building your graphs. So that was Crosstable and how to use it. See you in the next one. Peace.